Hi boys and girls, today we're going over metric units of length. So it says meters, decimeters, centimeters, and millimeters are all metric units of length. You can use a ruler and a meter stick to discover how these units are related. So for materials, you'd use a ruler and a meter stick. Step 1. Look at a metric ruler. Most look like the one below. So you have a centimeter, and then in between the centimeters, you have millimeters. The short marks between each centimeter mark show millimeters. 1 centimeter has the same length as a group of 10 millimeters. So there's 10 millimeters in between 1 centimeter. Step 2. Look at a meter stick. Most look like the one below. So you'll have centimeters and then decimeters. So I'm going to circle 1 centimeter is the same length as a group of 10 millimeters. And then it says 1 decimeter is the same length as a group of 10 centimeters. Step 3. Use the ruler and the meter stick to compare metric units of length. So my printer didn't print out all of the numbers. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters, and 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we're going to be using this for a lot. And remember, we divide when we go from smaller to larger conversions, and we multiply when we go from larger to smaller conversions. So now complete 1 through 4. So 3 meters to decimeters. So meters is bigger than decimeters, so we're going to be multiplying. And there's 1 meter for every 10 decimeters. So 3 times 10 is 30. So 3 meters is equal to 30 decimeters. Number 2, 500 centimeters equal to meters. Well, we're going from smaller to larger, so we're going to have to divide. And it says 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we're going to divide 500 by 100. I know we haven't ever divided 3-digit by 3-digit, but if we ignore the zeros right now and we divide 5 by 1, we know that 1 can go into 5 times. So 500 divided by 100 is 5. So 500 meters is equivalent to 5 meters. Number 3, 4 centimeters to millimeters. Centimeters is bigger than millimeters, so we're going to be multiplying. And we know that there is 1 centimeter to 10 millimeters. So we're going to be multiplying 4 times 10, which is 40. So 4 centimeters is equal to 40 millimeters. Number 4, 90 centimeters to decimeters. Well, centimeters is smaller than decimeters, and we know that 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeters. So we're going to be dividing 90 by 10, which is 9. So 90 centimeters is equal to 9 decimeters. Now we're going to the back. So on the side we have our key. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeters. 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. And remember, when we divide, we go from smaller to larger. And when we multiply, we go from larger to smaller. So number 1, 4 meters to centimeters. We're going from larger to smaller. So we're going to be multiplying. And there's 100 centimeters for 1 meter. So 4 times 100 is 400. So 4 meters is equal to 400 centimeters. Number 2, 80 millimeters to centimeters. We're going from smaller to bigger, so we're going to be dividing. So we're going to be so there's 10 millimeters for 1 centimeter. So we're going to be dividing 80 by 10, which gives us 8. So 80 millimeters is equal to 8 centimeters. Number 3, 5 meters to decimeters. We're going from bigger to smaller. 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. So we're going to be multiplying 5 times 10, which is 50. So 5 meters is equal to 50 decimeters. Number 9, 9 meters to millimeters. So we don't exactly have a straight conversion, so we're going to have to do a couple steps. And we know that we're going to be multiplying because meters is bigger than millimeters. And we know that 1 meter is equal to 10 centimeters, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So we're going to be multiplying 9 times 100, which will give us 900 centimeters, and then 900 times 10, which is going to give us 9,000 millimeters. So 9 meters is equal to 9,000 millimeters. Number 5, 700 centimeters to meters. So we're going from smaller to larger, so we're going to be dividing. And we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we're going to be dividing 700 by 100, which is 7. So 700 centimeters is equal to 7 meters. Number 6, 6 through 9, says compare using less than, greater than, or equal to. So we have number 6, it says 100 millimeters, 1 meter. So let's convert meters to centimeters. So we know that there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter and 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. So we're going to have to multiply a couple times. So 1 times 100 gives us 100 centimeters. And then 100 centimeters times 10 gives us 1,000 millimeters. 100 millimeters is less than 1,000 millimeters, or 1 meter. Number 7, 30 centimeters to 3 decimeters. So let's convert decimeters into centimeters. There's 1 decimeter for every 10 centimeters. So we're going to multiply 3 times 10, which gives us 30. So 30 centimeters is equal to 3 decimeters. Number 4, 4 meters to 450 centimeters. Well, we know, let's convert meters. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we'll multiply 4 times 100, which will give us 400 centimeters. Well, 400 centimeters, or 4 meters, is less than 450 centimeters. Number 9, 90 centimeters for 9 millimeters. Well, let's convert centimeters into millimeters. So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So we're going to multiply 90 times 10, which is going to give us 900 millimeters. So 900 millimeters, or 90 centimeters, is greater than 9 millimeters. And we're going to skip 10 through 13. And we're going to go to number 14 and 15. Number 14, a flagpole is 6 meters tall. How many centimeters tall is the flagpole? So we're going to be converting meters to centimeters. And we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we're going to be multiplying 6 times 100, which will give us 600. So 600 centimeters. Number 15. A new building is 25 meters tall. How many decimeters tall is the building? So we're going from meters to decimeters, which is bigger, greater than, or bigger, larger to smaller. So we're going to be multiplying 25 times 10, because 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Put our 0 placeholder. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. And now we're going to add 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. And bring down our 2. So 25 meters is equal to 250 decimeters. That's it for today. I'll talk with you all tomorrow.